Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. In today's video, I'm going to get a bunch of things done around this house. It's a weekday. This is how I typically start my mornings off. It is 5:30 a.m. and I'm about to do 5,000 steps, okay? Because I like to take between 10 to 12,000 steps per day, and I work out with Get Fit with Rick. Now I'm going to make my breakfast, and then right after that, I'm taking my daughter to the bus stop. If you are new here, my name is Kim, KYM. I do videos pertaining to home life, home management, cooking, cleaning, DIYs, projects, repairs, all of that great stuff. I like to show you how to keep up with your house throughout the week so that you're not spending your entire weekend cleaning up and not being able to do things with your family. Since I made a mess after I came back from the bus stop, I wanted to make sure that I got that cleaned up, and I'm also going to get everything cleaned up. I'm not going to leave it here for when I get home from running my errands and working and all that great stuff. I'm going to clean it up right away. That is the key. Be sure to subscribe on your way out and show the like button some love as well. Now I'm out of the shower and I'm about to peel my eggs, eat my breakfast, and be on my merry little way. I appreciate each and every one of you being here. Thank you so much. I hope you're having an amazing week. I hope your mental health is in a good place. And just remember to say your affirmations, because you are worthy, you are enough, you are capable, and you are needed. Now it's the evening later on, probably around 5:30, 6 o'clock p.m. And I need to make sure that I get these walls together. I really wanted to come home and clean the walls down with like some yellow Mr. Clean disinfectant, but they were really dusty. So I'm like, you know what? Let me dust today. And then sometime during this week, I will just make sure I get these walls washed down. First of all, I live in a dust bucket. Okay, so let's start there. But the key to cleaning is you want to start at the top and work your way down, because the dirt and the dust and everything like that falls down. You also want to make sure you dust before you put anything wet on the spots that are dusty, because that's not an easy cleanup right there. Always remember to work smart and not hard. I love to dust with a feather duster because it just collects everything and you can shake it out. You can clean it. You can clean it with soap. You can clean it with water. There's so many different ways you can clean out your feather duster, and they last forever. It's actually ostrich feathers. I'll have to find the link to that in Amazon and put it in the description box so that you guys can order it if you would like to. I think it was like $11.99 and I've had it for like 4 years. You'll have to let me know what you've been up to in the comments below. Now that I've gotten everything dusted, I need to clean off this front door. If you've been around, you know that there is some construction going on in my neighborhood. They're building condos in front of us. They're building condos behind us, and everything is extremely dirty and dusty. I'm using my magic concoction to clean off the glass. That consists of the white distilled vinegar, isopropyl alcohol, the blue Original Dawn dish soap, and water. Can I tell you how much of a tongue twister that was? I had to say that really slow. I'm also using the 𝐓𝐇𝐈𝐒 vacuum contraption to make sure that everything's clean. But let me just tell you something. If you have one of these, be sure to charge it first, because mine was half dead. so I had to really improvise, which is why I'm not using it in this clip right here. I decided to come to my half bath and just clean off the mirror and the sink. I had deep cleaned this bathroom 2 days ago, so it really didn't need a lot of things done, but I'm real anal when it comes to bathroom. And yes, I cleaned the toilet. I just did not do it on camera because some people are really sensitive to that. But if you need a toilet tutorial, I'm your girl, because I did it a few weeks ago. Might have been a month or two. And I cleaned the toilet off with a steamer, which made it completely clean. And it smelled really good. I don't know how to describe it. Now I'm just moving on to the light switches because those are filled with germs as well. Shine bright like a diamond, baby girl. You'll have to let me know if you cleaned off your light switches. And if you do, how often are you doing it? I'm also gonna clean off all the door handles, and then eventually I'm gonna move to cleaning off the doors because those need cleaned as well. Everything needs wiped down. This is what the deep cleaning is all about. This is what keeping up with your home is all about. This is not something that you need to do weekly. Well, the light switches and the door handles, I definitely would. But as far as the doors, you don't need to do that weekly. I would just say do them as necessary. In my case, everything's dusty, so I try to handle these at least once a month. To do all the cleaning that I've done today, it probably took me about 1 hour and 40 minutes, and it would have been less time had I not had a camera that I was chugging around. But I don't want to be spending my time doing this on the weekend. I want my husband to be taking me to the at-home store on the weekend, to Hobby Lobby, Home Goods. That is what I call a perfect date, some coffee and a home goods store. You feel me? But I'm cleaning all of that off with my magic concoction too, because you have to remember vinegar is a natural disinfectant and it's doing all of the work for me.
Should I let him go? Oh, go, go. I don't know what to do with this. Should I let him go? Oh, go, go. I don't know what to do with this. Should I let him go? Oh, go, go. I don't know what to do with this. Should I let him go? Oh, go, go.
After wiping all of that down, this is what my cleaning cloth is looking like, and I tossed it in the trash, okay? Because I ain't got that to do. Plus, I have so many more.
You look so good in my sweater. Winter's my favorite weather, 'cause it brings you close, and I need you close. Yeah. Wish we could stay here forever. Each day you keep getting better. Gotta love you close, and I need you close. I need you close. Yeah. Na 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 na. Every day, look away. Na na na. Na, 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 na. Every day, look away. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. Good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. Each time you leave me, it's harder. Feels like I'm stuck underwater. Can't hold my breath. Don't know what's there. No. Na 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 na. Every day, look away. Na 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 na. Every day, look away. na na na. Every day, look away. Na 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 na. Every day, look away.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is Mr. 𝐓𝐇𝐈𝐒 himself. That is my favorite song by him, and I did not want to interrupt it by talking, okay? So I hope you understand, and if you don't, then, I mean, I don't know what to tell you. Anyway, remember I told you when you clean to start at the top and work your way down? You see I cleaned that fan off. The fan wasn't too bad because it's in the kitchen, and I really try to make sure that I clean it off often because, you know, we're cooking in here, so it could be filled with grease and that sort of thing, and I just don't want that buildup. I don't want them problems. I like to work smart and not hard, and that includes cleaning. I wanted to just make sure I got all this stuff put away. This morning, I wiped the countertops down. Nobody has been home since then. And now I'm like, you know what? These floors are terrible. So let's talk about my floors. First of all, shout out to P-Dub Stuff. Thank you so much for the steam mop. It is amazing. Before I do that, I'm actually going to do the baseboards. But with the steam mop, I probably should do it way more often than I do as far as mopping the floors, because the pad for the steam mop, it was, oh my gosh, so dirty. And I know better. Again, I live in a dust bucket, and this is just how it is in Central Ohio. Every single home I've lived in has been a dust bucket. My mom talks about her house being a dust bucket, and so do a lot of my friends. So it must be a Central Ohio thing. I don't know. The baseboards here in the kitchen were not really that bad. I had done the baseboards in here probably about 2 months ago. I did the baseboards in the living room about 3 weeks ago, but them baseboards in the hallway, oh my gosh, they were awful. So another cleaning cloth went into the trash can because they were that bad. At any rate, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. How are you doing though? Like, for real, did you already answer that question earlier? How are you doing? How your mom and them? How your family doing? I will say, as of late, I have not really had a lot of spunk in my step for some reason. I don't know why, but at the end of the day, I just be praying like, okay, Lord, whatever it is that you have for me is what you have for me. I'm here for it. I always say my affirmations, and I always really try to encourage people because you don't know what people are going through. Also, if you see somebody who's hungry, feed them. Speak life into them. Give them some encouragement. This world is hard, okay? It's very hard. I always think of, am I my brother's keeper? Even if I don't know them, they might be my brother or sister in Christ. I want to help people. This is what our jobs are in life, you guys, is to help people. Not to be selfish, not to be nasty, not to be rude. We are to love people and show people the love of God that dwells within us. And within you, if you have the love of God, there's no hate there. There's no hate at all whatsoever.
Give it all to me, give it all to me, yeah, yeah. Take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me, yeah, yeah. Take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me, yeah, yeah. Take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me.
For the floors, I only use vinegar when cleaning my floors. I've used so many different types of cleaner. I've even tried the yellow Mr. Clean disinfectant back in the day when they used to make that. And I didn't like how it made my floors feel. And I remember one of my friends telling me back in the day, like, always clean your wood floors or your LVP floors with vinegar. And it really works very well. So this video is about to wrap up. I'll show you at the end what I ate for dinner. It was leftovers because obviously I didn't come home, do all this and cook at the same time. See, again, you got to work smart and not hard. Like, don't be coming home and cleaning up and then cooking a meal. So today I'm cleaning, tomorrow I'm cooking, but we did have leftovers from the day before. At any rate, thank you so much again for being here. I appreciate you. I love you. Make sure you're looking in the mirror and saying, I am loved and I am worthy. And by the way, I finally am able to read the Let Them theory on the Libby app, and so far so good. So let's see if it does anything life-changing for me, like a lot of people say.
Breaking in, then breaking out. You are stuck on my mind. There's no way to rewind. I'm criminally loving you. I can't live with us apart, so I had to steal you.
So the only thing I need to do is that over there. I know it's dark. and then sweep the floor, but I'm gonna do that tomorrow because I'm tapped out. Here are the leftovers from yesterday. Ignore the lip gloss. I'm addicted to lip gloss. So we had, this was honey mustard chicken, potatoes, my famous potatoes. They were amazing. And Parmesan crusted asparagus, which is so good. If you have not tried it, try it. All I put on here is garlic powder, Parmesan cheese, a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper. So good.
But then it all went backwards. Your ass